Well, back in June, the Drug Enforcement Administration told us about the DEA Museum and Visitors Center lecture series. And here to talk about a recent lecture that should be of interest to everybody is Carlos Briano, Public Information Officer for the DEA El Paso Division. Well, welcome, Carlos. So what was this lecture series all about?
Hi, Trevor. The DEA Museum annually produces a series of educational lectures designed to inform and educate the public in matters related to the mission of DEA. Some of the past topics have included drug trends, science and forensics, collection objects, the exploits and accomplishment of the men and women of the DEA, and much more. But this past Tuesday, the lecture was titled American Crisis, Fentanyl and Fake Pills.
And you've done multiple tips on this topic, Carlos, so clearly very important to you. Who are some of the panelists involved, though?
Our museum curator of education hosted a discussion with DEA experts about this terrible wave of fentanyl entering our country. The panelists included DEA Chief of Operations Raymond Donovan, Senior Forensic Chemist Emily Lockhart, and the Assistant Special Agent in charge of the Special Operations Division, Donald Im. With their professional expertise, they helped us understand where the crisis came from, what the science of fentanyl and fake pills is, and what is being done to mitigate the crisis. And as part of the program, the DEA Museum team also presented a short behind-the-scenes video on the history of pills in American medicine featuring never-before-seen artifacts.
So that lecture was streamed live on Tuesday, but how can our viewers who missed it see it now?
All they got to do is visit deamuseum.org. This particular lecture series is there available on demand, as well as some of the past lectures. Again, that website is deamuseum.org.
Very important tips there, Carlos. As always, thank you so much. We'll see you next week.